Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you some things I'm doing getting ready for my trip to Disney World. I'm leaving in just a few days and I'm just about all packed up, and I realized I had a ton of really fun Disney merchandise, Disney items I had purchased for the trip that I wanted to share with you guys. I know a lot of you are Disney fans as well. This is not like a packing video. I'm not showing you my tennis shoes and my shorts. This is Disney specific stuff that I bought to kind of wear in the parks. I've mentioned before, kind of planning, organizing my trip is half the fun for me, so I really get into it, and I have some really fun and cute stuff. I'm gonna link everything that I can below with prices and where you can pick it up. I'm gonna start with like t-shirts because I got a ton of them, and I actually got a lot of like really cute coordinating bags. This one is my absolute favorite. I think I got this adorable Tomorrowland, what is it called, International Speedway. So it looks like an Indy 500. Is that what the race is called? Indy 500. It looks like an Indy 500 t-shirt, but it's themed after the car ride in Tomorrowland in Magic Kingdom. You know, those little cars that like kids can drive themselves. I think it is so cute. It's one of those things where like you have to look twice to figure out what it is. Super, super cute. I cannot recall the name of the shop I got this at. It's one of those like independent online boutiques, but I will link it below. It was about $25. This is a medium, and I found it to be true to size, and it's printed on an American Apparel t-shirt. I think 100% cotton. Yeah, it's a really nice quality. I've already washed this and the color stayed super, super vibrant. Very excited to wear that one. This one's kind of in that same theme. I also got this from an independent little online shop. I put this shirt up on Instagram and you guys loved it. So it says Tiana's Beignets here, and it looks like the logo for Krispy Kreme. How cute is that? So Krispy Kreme obviously is a donut shop, and Tiana in Princess and the Frog, she famously made beignets, which is kind of like a donut. So they made it look like the Krispy Kreme logo. So, so cute. Again, this was about $25, and I think the company, oh look, they have their name here, Walt's Wardrobe. I'll link them below. A ton of cute stuff on that shop. Again, this is 100% cotton, super vibrant colors, and to go with this, I have a super cute purse. Oh, I hope I have it here. Yes, I do. I hauled this in a past like Disney merch video, but I wanted a Tiana shirt to go with this purse. How cute is this? So I'm gonna wear these together. I think it's gonna look so awesome together. This is one of those Danielle Nicole purses. She makes a ton of Disney stuff where they look kind of like this, like a face, or they're modeled after like an object from the movie. She has adorable purses, and I have a couple of hers. I want to say this was like $80. Her purses are not cheap, but I typically buy them when I find them on sale. You can find good deals. But again, I'll link this one below. Super cute. Oh, I guess I should mention these. This was a purchase as well. I have a ton of ears, and I bought these special for the trip. I don't usually do that, but as you'll see as I go through, a lot of the stuff I ended up buying to wear was in that classic like red and black and white color scheme. So I thought some of these classic ears would be perfect. I got these at the Disney store for I think they retailed for $28, and I got them with like a 20% off discount code, but I will link them below. This was a Target find, again in that red color scheme. I love this. They put out so much merchandise recently for Dumbo because of the new Dumbo movie, and I just love how retro and throwback this looks. I love the graphic here. A tank top is the perfect thing to wear at Disney World, and I wanted a cute bag to go with this. I didn't have anything that I thought worked off the top of my head, and this was I think $12.99. I'll link it below. But so there's this website called Aliexpress. Let me know in the comments if you've heard about it before. I've bought stuff from them before. They have such inexpensive stuff, and you can find really unique, cute stuff. The thing about it is it's almost always coming over from China, and it takes a long time to ship to you. But if you have time to wait, you can find amazing deals. So I got this little handbag off Aliexpress for $7. That was the total price, including shipping and everything. And it's a little popcorn bag. How cute is this? It's like a little crossbody with a chain. I don't think you can beat that deal. And it's kind of like the same shape, not shape, but like size as my Danielle Nicole bag. So, you know, I don't mind that it's a smaller purse. I like a little small crossbody. I should say my daughter is staying with my mother on this trip. I'm going with my sister, and so I'm not traveling with her. If I was traveling with her, I would need bigger bags than this. But when I don't have her, I can get away with that. So I think this is just so cute, like a circus theme. Really charming. And I'll wear these ears. This is another t-shirt. It's a Pizza Planet one. There are so many Pizza Planet t-shirts out there that you can buy. This is one of my favorite designs I've seen because I really feel like it really looks like a delivery boy t-shirt. It looks like something you would wear if you worked at Pizza Planet. I got this at Target. It's 100% cotton. Yeah, it feels really nice. I think this was at that like $12.99 price point as well. I'll link it below. And then to go with that, I have what I think is my favorite purse. I gasped when I saw this in the store. I got this at the Disney store. How cute is this purse? It looks like the claw machine from the Toy Story movie that's at Pizza Planet. How cute is that with the t-shirt? I am so excited to wear these together. So they're gonna like match, super cute. This is like a little bit of a weird purse, isn't it? Because it's see-through. That's kind of a trend right now. So it's not something I would normally wear like in my everyday life, but for a theme park, I'm happy to have a see-through purse. And inside it's got like a little clip that looks like one of the Green Army men. How adorable. Super cute. And this is a little pocket here. You can actually put something in there. If you had like a little memory card, that would fit in there. Really, really cute. So this I got at the Disney store. It retailed for $35, and I think I used like, they were doing like 20% off the whole store, and then I had like 10% on top of that. I think I paid somewhere around $27, which is not too bad. Really cute. I'm gonna wear these to Toy Story Land. Appropriate, right? Again, with my ears. Is that it for t-shirts? Oh no, I got this t-shirt on that Aliexpress website that I was telling you about. When I saw this, I couldn't pass it up. I think I paid $8, like a really good price. So if you do not know what this t-shirt means, let me explain. It's this kind of not exactly correctly drawn Mickey Mouse, and down here it says Fichwa Fellow. This is a reference to something in Animal Kingdom. In Harambe Village, in like the Africa area of Animal Kingdom, there's this area with all these like paintings where it looks like locals have painted little original art. Well, this is one of the things painted on one of the walls, and it's a popular spot to get your picture taken. And I actually looked this up. Fichwa means hidden. And if you don't know, hidden Mickeys are like a thing at Disney. The Imagineers, they hide little Mickeys everywhere. Well, this one isn't hidden. He's in plain sight, but the hidden part is hidden. So I think it's a really funny, clever take on a hidden Mickey. So I'm definitely going to wear this to Animal Kingdom and get my picture in front of that wall. I think that will be really fun. I will link it below. And then I have some items from a store called Primark. If you are not familiar, Primark is a British store. There are a few Primarks in the US. I'm fortunate that I live near one. I love this store. They're usually massive stores, and their stuff is so inexpensive. You can find such good deals there, but their stuff is always really kind of cute and trendy. I would say it's like Walmart prices, but just super, super stylish, trendy stuff. And they always have Disney stuff there. It's a great place for Disney items. I got 2 pairs of shoes for the trip there, and they're not really Disney, but they look Disney. I got these little, like, they're slides, and they've got polka dot, and they've got a little bow here, and this just screams Minnie Mouse to me. I am somebody who I can get away with wearing sandals and flip-flops and shoes like this at the theme parks. In fact, I like to bring like a pair of Converse and then switch up. It actually does better for my feet, but I thought these were so cute. They definitely looked Disney to me. And then I got a pair of red slides with, like, it's got like this netting material. Again, this just looked very Minnie, Mickey to me. And they were so inexpensive. I meant to keep the tags on them, and I took the tags off when I was packing, but I think I paid like $7 for each. A really good price for shoes. And then I got this little wallet at Primark as well. This was $5. It's a little Minnie Mouse, and I love this because to me this looks like the Kate Spade line of Minnie Mouse stuff. Kate Spade put out these really gorgeous like bags and wallets, and this absolutely looks like they were mimicking it, except like the Kate Spade version was $100. So that's really cute, and I thought this was great because I can put some stuff in here, and then I can put it in my see-through bag, and I'll still have a little bit of privacy. So I'm going to use that as my wallet on the trip. And then at Primark I also got some pajamas. How cute are these? They've got Minnie Mouse all over them, and they're like the jogger style, you know, where it's kind of tighter at the ankle, kind of thin, so I won't be too warm in the Florida heat. Super, super cute. And I think I paid $9 for these. Like I said, Primark has just the best deals. I always think it's fun to have fun pajamas at Disney World. And then the last thing I'm going to talk about is this like duffel bag that I've been holding all this stuff in. It's not Disney, but it's like a great tip to bring something like this on a Disney trip. I got this at Five Below for just $5. I didn't have a little duffel like this. I wanted something small that I could put in my suitcase. I would not normally carry something this color around, but I think it's fun for Disney. And then my daughter can use it for like sleepovers and stuff. But again, $5. I added this little charm to it, this little Minnie Mouse. Yeah, so like I like to bring stuff like this in my suitcase. I'm leaving my daughter with my mother, and then I don't want to take like all of my stuff and her stuff with me when I hit the road to go to Disney. So I'm going to pack this. I can pop all my Disney specific stuff in here, take that to Disney World, and then on my way home, if I need a little extra luggage space, if I bought anything, if the grandparents gave my daughter any gifts or whatever, I always find that I need extra room coming back. So now I've got a carry-on bag. $5, Five Below, can't beat it. Super fun Disney bag. So that's what I have. I totally love planning out what I'm going to wear at the parks. I think it's just a super fun place to wear fun outfits and take fun pictures. I'm going to be doing a ton of pictures on my Instagram. I'll link it below. Please come and follow me. I love interacting with you guys over there. I'm also going to do some giveaways on my Instagram while I'm at Disney. My plan, my hope is to kind of take pictures of different stuff and then ask you guys what you want to see me do as a giveaway. So definitely head on over there and hit the red subscribe button. I'm going to be vlogging this trip. It's my first time vlogging in Disney. I'm so excited to do it. I can't wait for you guys to see the videos and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I will know to keep making videos like this. I've been having so much fun doing this Disney content. I will see you guys next time. Bye.